Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix RAM cached memory too high in Windows 11, 10. Right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Performance, click Memory. Cached memory is 1.1 GB. Open any browser. Type WJ32 in browser search bar. Click Software, click Empty Standby List. Type Task Scheduler in Windows search bar, click Task Scheduler. Click Create Task. Type Clear RAM Cache. Check Run with highest privileges, click Change User or Group, type System, click Check Names. Select Windows 10, click Triggers tab. Check Repeat Task Every, check 5 minutes, click Indefinitely, check Enabled. Click Actions tab, click New. Browse to downloaded file. Click Conditions tab, check Start only if the following network connections is available, select any connection. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.